Roman Hurwitz, Kurt Jenkins, Henry Park, I see you.
I'm sorry. I was parking my car in the garage and.
Sean Toulis,
Shut the fuck up.
Okay.
This is rude, motherfucker.
Yeah, exactly. Put some duct
No,
tape
fuck
on
you.
him.
Do it yourself.
What the fuck? What are you here then?
Cause it's I was drinking my coffee on a Saturday fucking morning. My gourmet fucking coffee.
Oh, it's gourmet? Let me try it.
Sure, go ahead.
What
What the
fucking
fuck?
call gourmet?
This is the coffee I fucking buy. My wife buys bullshit coffee.
Yeah.
I get the gourmet shit because I want to taste the coffee when I drink it.